Hello, this is One Person Studio here, and welcome to my coding game series where I solve problem-solving challenges on easy difficulty. Today, the puzzle that I'm going to solve is called Lumen. In this video, there's going to be two parts. The first part is me reading the goal, and the second part is me just coding to solve the puzzle without me explaining. I'm just going to let my fingers do the talking. So what is the goal to complete this puzzle? They put you in a square shaped room with n meters on each side. They want to know everything about you. They are observing you. They place some candles in the room. Every candle makes light in the spot they are, and every spot in square shape gets one less light as the next ones. If a spot is touched by two candles, it will have the larger light it can have. Every spot has the base light of 0. You can hide only if you find a dark spot which has 0 light. How many dark spots you have? You receive a map of the room with the empty places and candles in n rows, which each character is separated by a space. Example of the light spread, which is n equals 5 and l equals 3, is basically like this and like that. So for the input, I'm not going to do Java, I'm going to do JavaScript. The first line is an integer for the basically integer for the length of one side of the room. L is basically the integer for the base light of the candles. And for the for loop is basically the number of characters separated by one space. For the output is it prints out the number of places with 0 light. The constraints are 0 less than n is less than or equal to 25, and 0 less than l is less than 10. So this example right here for input and output. And for the test cases, they will want you to have for one candle, for a ritual, for a large pit, for a small cellar, for a medium cellar, for a large cellar, I don't know what this one is, for a great hall, and for this one. That's for all the test cases that they want us to solve for this puzzle. And now the second part of this video begins.